Hello. It's almost 6 p.m. It's getting dark and it's getting cold. And you can see I'm inside my SUV camper because it's cold outside. It's so windy. You can see the waves. It's so wavy because the wind is like 15 miles per hour, 11 miles per hour. So here's the view inside my camper. And I'm right here near the dunes, whatever it's pronounced. And then I'm close to the trash, so it's easier to dump garbage or trash. The next one is way out there. There's a box truck camper there. So I'm gonna park here because I know no one's gonna park behind me, close to me. You will have to park right next to that trash can. So that's why that box truck camper parked right over there. Then you can see there's now not many people camping because it's cold, but still camping for tonight, stay overnight. And Jason from PNYprepper or PNYprepper sent me a message and he said he's coming here, so I'll wait for him. He said we're gonna cook here for dinner, and I'll show you the sunset. Nice sunset, but it's cold. I am cold. Better go back in because it's so cold. One shot. Nice moon. It's so dark. Just the moon. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very beautiful. Cold, Lord. So dark around here. Jason is here from the PNYprepper with AJ, and we cook our dinner, tortillas with Jason brought some eggs and diced beef. We cook it with wine, salt and pepper, garlic powder. Then we're gonna make some tortilla. PNYprepper.
Hello. Beach camping, January 2021. Stop. I'm back in.
And it's still cold.
It is cold, but not as cold as before our camping.
That's as cold as the winter camping with the snow. This is just windy. That's why it feels like it's cold. It's in the 60 degrees or 59 degrees. But at least we are camping by the moonlight. The moon is up there, you can see. Alright. In one camper, PNYprepper camper, moon, Jason. No camping doggies this time.
Yeah, no. Because I know it's cold.
Moonshine dinner was done thanks to Jason's for dinner, and we cook it and we ate it. Good morning, it's sunrise here at Surfside Beach. Very nice, yes. Free camping. There's an SUV camper there. And there's a van camper at the back. But very good sunrise for this morning. It was forecasted to rain, but looks like may not rain because there's not much clouds. And more campers. There's an RV trailer or fifth wheel. And this is Surfside Beach, Texas. And more campers. A lot of birds. And they have trash service, but it looks like they remove all the porta potties. In the summer there's a lot, but now there's only trash service, which is still good. Live with that one. It's more like dry camping, but it's free, except it's too cold to swim. Good morning. Hopefully you will keep supporting my channel, and if you haven't yet subscribe, please subscribe. I'll be happy to make more videos. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Lunch for today, corned beef with rice, because we're hungry. We waited for the fish.
Yeah, no fish today.
No fish for today.
Because of the wind and the cold.
But he's still trying. Jason's still trying.
Yeah.
Put the bait out there in the sea. So we will see later. Maybe we'll get lucky. Okay, Jason's going home. Tried to fish, but there's no fish. Okay, bye bye. But we have our lunch. Finished with our lunch, and then it's time for them to go. I'm staying here until I'll stay overnight. Then tomorrow night, probably until tomorrow night, Sunday. And then Monday, I'm going to Katy to pick up something from my brother's house. And so I'm staying here by myself, but it's okay. There are other campers there. So I have a neighbor there with a tent and an SUV. And there's some people fishing way out there. And then here on this side, there's the trailer camper. And so, but I'm far from everybody else, which is okay. But for today, I'll just relax, maybe do some video editing or play on my cell phone games. But say goodbye. And it's cold, and I'm just wearing a t-shirt because I was wearing jacket earlier. It was warm, the sun came out, but now sun disappeared because it became so cloudy. You can see it, it's cloudy, and the wind just makes it colder. Otherwise the temperature is good, it's only in the 60s, but it's cold because of the wind. Okay, see ya, bye.